Welcome to StockSync. Today, we're diving into adding new products to your store using the Download URL connection method. Begin by clicking on New Setup, and then select Add New Products to the store to create your feed. Confirm to proceed with setting up your feed. This is where you start customizing your product import. Choose the Download URL connection method. Remember, StockSync does not support multi-factor authentication, MFA or two-factor authentication, 2FA. Ensure the URL you provide is accessible without these security layers. To set up the Download URL connection, enable source authentication if login details are required. Then, enter the source URL where your feed file is located. The file format field is set to Auto, enabling StockSync to auto-detect the file format. You can also manually choose a specific format if necessary. By default, the first row header is disabled. Enable this option if your feed file includes a header. Click Next to proceed to the Matching Column step. Here, you'll map essential fields like SKU, title, and price. Adding more fields enhances visibility for users. If your products have variants, map the variant group using a column like a var ID, and map at least one variant option, such as size. The filter step allows you to include or exclude specific products. For instance, you might choose to exclude products with the value cycle. In the final step, decide whether to publish products immediately or set them as drafts. By default, added products are drafts. Optionally, add tags to new products for easy identification of the feed source. Click Finish to complete the setup. You can then run the process to start adding products to your store.